Well, I got her all done. Now, before you start throwing this stuff away or throwing it out in a pile somewhere and stepping on it, remember there's nails in it. So, last thing I want is for somebody to step on any of these nails if there's any nails. It's not going to take you very long. Be safe rather than sorry. You know what I mean? Lots of the nails pulled up onto the floor, but you've got to realize you're going to have a few nails here. And some of them may be sticking right up exactly the wrong way and you step on it. That would not be a good thing. And before I take this down to the dumpster, I have one more thing I'm going to do. Another reason to get these nails flattened out. Okay. Doesn't take you long. I'd rather spend an extra couple minutes here to make sure I don't have a little accident happening to me. And I just do one step at a time. I got that. And I'm going to feel around and pull the rest of the nails. I've got the nails from here that way. The last thing I want to do is miss a couple and then be down, kneel down to cut in the baseboard right on one of those nails or trip. Have it catch on your shoe just right. And I also check along where the baseboard is, just that little edge. If there's a nail right there, I'll cut it off. Because you remember, there's going to be carpet going back in here. And they put the tack strip away from the wall, a little bit like that. And then the carpet pad. And then, so when they cut the carpet, they cut it just a hair longer than the baseboard. And then as they stretch, then they tuck it right underneath there. And I don't want it to start catching on. If I've got a whole lot of nails along that edge, I won't be able to I won't be able to have the carpet guys tuck it in properly, and then there might be a slight little bulge there, or they're whacking on it and scrape up the baseboard. Because see, I'm going to have all these baseboards repainted prior to the carpet guys coming in here, and then they'll have to be careful, like carpet guys should be careful whenever they have come across white painted baseboard, any kind of painted baseboard as a matter of fact, or stained. If you got stained baseboard with a seal on it or lacquer on it, you still want the carpet guys to be real careful, because once they touch that with the backing, the back side of the carpet, look out. This stuff will scratch it up in a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna get that all cleaned up. If you want to see what I'm going to do with that, stick around. I'm going to show that next. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. All right, what was I doing?